Hey guys, so here's my first DSLR camera, Nikon D3500. So let's quickly unbox it and let's see what's inside. Okay, now so we are inside it. Okay, so it's the memory card. We'll keep it aside. Ta-da! So there's a camera bag out here and some extra padding and ta-da. So here it is, the Nikon D3500. We'll keep the box aside and we'll now unbox it. So here it is. There are some user manuals and worldwide warranty card. As you can see, 2-year comprehensive warranty card and some thank you notes and many more paperwork. So let's keep it aside, and when we open this we get some more extra padding. Okay, so starting off with the lens. So this is the 1855 kit lens. As you can see here it's written. Okay, keeping it aside, this is the main body unit, I guess, and yes, so it is the Nikon D3500. And let's see what else it is in the box. So we have one charging dock here. We have one Nikon battery and we have one camera strip. So let's quickly put this all things aside and let's put inside the battery and check this thing out. So it's very easy. So for inserting the lens into the camera body, we will match this white dot to the white dot on the camera body, and then we will rotate it away from it and we will hear the click. So we are set and we will turn on the camera. So it's saying before taking photos, rotate the zoom ring to extend the lens. Okay, this kit lens is having a zoom lock, so we need to take this cover off. So as here we can see, it's working really fine. So one more. As you can see, the picture quality is really sharp. So I hope you guys like the video and give it a thumbs up, and I'm really gonna enjoy this as this is my first DSLR camera. Thank you guys.